Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to limit FPS in Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed and where you can access individual game settings. In the left panel, you'll see your complete game library. Right-click on the game you want to limit FPS for, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up the configuration window for that specific game, giving you access to various settings and launch parameters. Now look for the Launch Options section. You'll notice a text field below it where you can enter custom commands. Click on this field and type something like +FPS_max space 144, or you can replace 144 with whatever frame rate limit you prefer. This command tells the game to cap its frame rate at your specified number, which can help reduce GPU load and maintain more consistent performance. Once you've entered your desired FPS limit, close the Properties window. Now you can launch the game and it should respect the frame rate cap you just set. This method works directly through Steam's launch parameters and applies specifically to the game you configured. However, there's also an alternative way to limit FPS, especially if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card. This method gives you system-wide control over frame rates for any game. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, and from the menu that appears, select NVIDIA Control Panel. This opens NVIDIA's comprehensive graphics settings interface. In the left panel, click on Manage 3D Settings. This section allows you to customize how your graphics card handles different games and applications. At the top of this window, click on Program Settings. This tab lets you configure settings for individual programs rather than applying changes globally. Scroll down through the settings list until you find Max Frame Rate. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Off. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, click the circle beside On to enable frame rate limiting for this specific game. This activates NVIDIA's built-in FPS limiter, which can sometimes be more reliable than in-game options. Now use the slider to adjust the frame rate based on your preferences. Slide it from left to right until you reach your desired FPS cap. This gives you precise control over how many frames per second your game will render, helping you balance performance and visual quality. After setting your preferred frame rate, click OK to confirm your selection. Then click Apply to save all your changes. Your settings are now active, and the next time you launch your game, NVIDIA's driver will enforce the frame rate limit you've configured. And that's it! You've successfully learned two different methods to limit FPS in your Steam games, giving you better control over performance and system resources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.